Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wildcats, I am so excited about today's art lesson because it's art with a really special purpose. This week, we're celebrating Virtual Field Day at Weddington Elementary. And boys and girls, you've probably already seen Mr. Hoffman's video about how we're going to do that. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll include the link in the description below so you can check it out and get all the details. But one part of this particular event is going to be an art challenge. You already heard about the STEAM challenge, building your obstacle course, the music challenge, inventing, creating, naming, and playing your own new instrument, and now the art challenge. For this art challenge, we're going to create an installation piece of art. Installation art is art that is temporarily set up, or you could say installed, temporarily set up for people to view and to enjoy. And our installation is going to use the letters from Weddington Elementary School. WDES, the same as our website and many other different Weddington handles. So what we're going to need to do is this. We're going to need to find some materials to create WDES that are different than a usual paper, pencil, crayons, or markers. So you're really thinking outside the box. So what's the big idea? Today, we're going to create an art installation of WDES using unexpected materials. So, I wonder what kind of unexpected materials we could use. Come on outside, guys. Let's see what we can create. Could we create our WDES out of flower blossoms? This could be the perfect thing. I could create my letters out of mulch. Let's try it. There we have it. Maybe I could use branches of a tree or leaves from a bush to create my letters. All right, I've got just the thing. I'm gonna make Weddington's letters, WDES, out of bird seed so that it will be a delicious treat for the birds. What do you think about that? You could even use art supplies to create your letters. What else could I use? I've got an idea. Let's see if it works. Could we even use exercise equipment to create our letters? I don't know. Let's try it. WDES for field day with sports equipment. Wow, now that art installation was a workout. Weddington Wildcats, I hope you have fun with this creative virtual field day challenge. I can't wait to see the designs that you come up with using your imagination as you create some really unique WDES installation artwork. Much creativity always, artist. So what other materials could you possibly use for creating your letters? Think about art supplies. Think about books. Think about Coco. Think about all the different materials that you might find around your house to... Thank you, Remy. Think about all the different materials around your house you might use. Remy says we should use dog treats. Dog treats to make the WDES? Could make a very happy field day puppy.